Installation. Quick installation is possible for recent versions of macOS and Linux. Otherwise, please follow the instructions for installing the client from source code. There is a link in the documentation. For quick installation, open a terminal and enter the command we have provided. This installs the appropriate client for your operating system. When finished, enter the second command and that's all. You're finished. Continue to registration. Every participant must register before the start of the ceremony. After installing the client, follow these instructions to register. Open a terminal and enter the command we have provided in the documentation. You will see the Manta Trusted Setup banner and a prompt for some information we need to collect. We ask that every participant provide a Twitter account and an email address. These don't have to be linked to your real identity if you wish to remain anonymous. Once you enter your information, the client will generate a key pair and signature for you. This will be used during the ceremony to sign the messages you send to the coordinator. To complete registration, copy everything but your secret phrase into the appropriate field in our registration form. Don't forget to copy the signature and the public key that the client generated. All other information is optional. Just share as much as you feel comfortable. If you wish to receive an NFT in the future, share a Calamari address with us. Submit the form, and you are now registered. You will receive more participation instructions by email. For now, just wait until the ceremony begins. Once the ceremony is open, you can join at any time, using the same client that you used for registration. Open a terminal and run the contribution command we have provided. You will see the Manta Trusted Setup banner and a prompt for your secret phrase. This is the secret phrase you generated and wrote down earlier during the registration. If you submitted your registration recently, you may have to wait to be added to the database. If you see a message like this, please try again later, and feel free to message us on Discord. Enter your secret phrase, and the process will begin. This may take some time, but there is nothing more that you have to do. Just leave the process running until it is complete. At first, you will probably have to wait in a queue. That's because there are many participants and only one may contribute at a time. We will show you where you are in the queue and how long you might have to wait until your turn. Again, there is nothing you need to do right now. Just leave the process running until it is complete. When it is finally your turn, you will begin downloading data from the ceremony coordinator. This may take a few minutes, depending on your connection speed. Next, the client will compute your contribution. This is the part where you are actively contributing some randomness of your own to the prover and verifier keys. Very exciting. But again, there's nothing you need to do right now. Just leave the process running until it is complete. Finally, the client will send the result of your contribution back to the coordinator. The coordinator will take a few moments to verify it, and then you will receive confirmation that you have contributed. The client will also suggest a tweet that you can use to announce your participation. This is optional, but we strongly encourage you to do so. And you're all done. Thank you very much for contributing to the security of Manta Network.